Hey, what's up, Rebel Gang? It's Bonitarebel. I'm here today back with another video, and this video is from Maxine hair. This is the company on Amazon. This is the Brazilian human hair straight lace front wig, 130 density, and with adjustable straps with baby hair. It says hair for black women, like anybody can wear this. You can get it to 10 inches to 24. I have this in the 20 inches, and the ombre did not come out like this. I bleached it twice by myself. I used a 40 volume developer and the blue bleach. I'm gonna start like showing you guys how I do stuff, but just sometimes I just be thinking like it's not gonna come out that good, but then like I'm like, oh shit, bitch, I just did something here. And I didn't mean for the roots to be brown like this and have streaks, but then it kind of went when I did the curls and how it, you know, it kind of swoops back. I'm fine with it because now it looks like some, you know, highlights. So I was like, oh, okay, it's fine. Some people have the brown strip anyways right here. So it kind of went, and I like it because it looks like it's coming right out my scalp, baby. Like, whoop, classy, and it's different. You can have it come right here. I want this. Look at this. One eye big. Yeah, this hair is great. It's a lace frontal. It has lace in the back as well. Don't drew nothing really with it. The density for me 130. I like it, but I wish it was just a little bit fuller for my liking. Or maybe it's just how the curls are. The hair bleached beautifully, as you can see the ends. It's not dry, the hair. I even did the hot treatment, so, and did the wand with the waves, and this hair just like reacted beautifully, you guys. Like, you know, I have no problems. Like this is all the lace right here, and the lace right here, no leave out. So, you know, I just slicked that in the back right there and just left this part right here. This is the weave, you know, you can see like the, kind of see the flap right here coming out. That's my real hair, but just trying to stick that down for right now. I have one more review to do. But yeah, and then right here is like really pretty as well, the front. Like, look at how it just blended in so pretty. So, you guys, this hair, the 20 inches, don't have a smell to it. This hair was really like good to me, like the way it was, soft. Look at the ombre on it. I did it, honey. I bleached it twice and then put a toner on it, so I have no complaints with this hair, and I think this is very affordable. 130, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna leave it down below. Okay, Amazon, I see you. I never trusted Amazon for hairs. I used to have a credit card back then for college, and I was like, I don't trust y'all hair. Y'all think y'all about to scam a bitch. But you know, like, this is actually good for this company. Like, this is actually, you know, good. You know, like for me just to do a quick, I did this in like 5 minutes, put this on. The curls took like a good 2 hours to do. They dropped, I did it yesterday. I was supposed to review yesterday, but I was styling all the wigs and it just took too long. But I like this classy look. What do you guys think? Do y'all like this look? Or is it too like thin? I got so many wigs now, I'm so happy. I was running out. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think. You guys like it? The part though, like if you guys like the lace, it stops right here, so it's enough room to do what to do. And yeah, so let me know if you guys like it. I hope you guys like this review, and you know, if you're not subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe, you know what I'm saying. And go ahead and subscribe to me, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I hope you guys like. It's Bonitarebel. Love y'all. Maxine, this is a 2 thumbs up. Oh my god, this is a 2 thumbs up. I love y'all.